Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineering intern role that has opened up at Microsoft in multiple locations in India. This will be a software engineering role where you'll be working as an intern, as an individual contributor to the team. So since this is an internship, this comes with an opportunity of a PPO at Microsoft. So the required qualifications that you need to fulfill to join as an intern is must be currently studying in your bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or any other related field, and at the time you complete your internship you must be having one semester or one term remaining in your degree program. Apart from that, you must be having 1 year of programming experience in any object-oriented programming language of your choice. These are the required qualifications. If you move on to the preferred qualifications, you must have, or if you have, the ability to demonstrate a solid understanding of computer science fundamentals like DSA and OOPS, then you will definitely be a preferred candidate for this role. So these are the qualifications that you need to fulfill. Moving on to the hiring process that they follow, they first will be conducting a written test held online at metal.com. So this will be an online coding round which will be comprising of three coding questions, easy to medium level questions that you'll have to solve in 90 minutes. After you are able to get through this round, make sure you are able to solve as many test cases as possible. After you get through this round, you get shortlisted, you will be receiving a confirmation mail to confirm that yes, you are going into the second virtual interview round, and you will be given a date and time where you'll have to be present for your virtual interview. Make sure you have a lot of time in hand and cancel all plans for that day. Now for your virtual interview round, this will be an online round over the Teams app. So there'll be a kind of a video call on the Microsoft Teams with your interviewer, and you will be starting off in an informal way with your brief introduction, with the interviewer's introduction, followed by the question that you'll have to solve. This will be a DSA based question that you will have to solve on an IDE, and you will be given enough time. The interview will be for about 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure you are able to think of the correct approach before you start coding, and make sure you have the minimum time and space complexity. That always helps. So you will be asked about your time and space complexity at the end and how you can improve that as well if it's not the best possible approach. And apart from that, in this round you will be asked some basic concepts of OOPS. Generally they ask in this round, and you might also be asked questions about your projects. But this again is it depends on your interviewer. What is definite is the coding question that you will have to solve. So after your getting shortlisted from this round, you will be receiving another mail that you have been shortlisted, and there will be another interview which will be held in one of their campuses, where you will have to be present for an on-site personal interview. So there will be more than one round in this on-site personal interview. So you will be briefed about this interview. Generally there are 2 rounds here, and only if you get selected for your first round you will be getting a chance to sit for the second round. So it's kind of eliminatory. So in your first technical interview you will be given maybe a question on DSA. It can be easy to medium round since it's an on-site interview. So you might be given questions on arrays, linked lists. Go through the previous year questions questions on trees are also asked in this round. So you'll be given kind of easy to medium questions if you practice from platforms like Lead Code, Geeks for Geeks, but make sure you go through the PYQs for this round. Now, once you are able to solve these questions, they might ask some questions from your resume. Make sure what you have written in your resume, you are aware of those skill sets. You're aware of the projects that you have mentioned in your resume. The second round that you will be sitting for in this on-site personal interview, that will be a combination of HR and technical. So this will be more of an HR. So you will be having to introduce yourself. You might be asked some typical HR questions like what qualities make you a good fit for the company, or what strengths do you have, and what kind of team you want to get aligned with. So this is your last round for the Microsoft internship. Once you get through this, you will be getting selected as a Microsoft intern. So go ahead, apply before the link expires. These links don't stay open for long, so I have attached the application window link in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply. And if you guys are finding my content useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And I do post quite frequently on companies hiring for jobs and internships, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.